Hey guys, I'm back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make the origami water bomb. As in my origami magic ball, we did not learn the water bomb base or how to make the water bomb. So today we're going to be learning it. So all you need to do is fold this edge to this edge. And cut out the edges, cut out a square. Once you've cut out a square, all you need to do is fold the paper in half diagonally, unfold, turn over, fold this point to here. And unfold, turn over, and push the center inside and fold this edge to this edge. This edge to this edge. Only that edge, don't fold the other edges. And turn over and push the middle and take this part, take these two parts and fold like that. And fold this point to here. Turn over and do the same thing. This point there, that point here, and fold these 2 points to the middle, very middle, and don't fold like this, or like this. All you need to do is fold this point to the very center. And when you fold it, you should make a square with behind. Do the same thing on the next side. Turn over and fold these 2 points to the center. And this time you should align this edge, fold this edge on top of the bottom edge. And do the same thing over here. And now we have these flaps. Insert those flaps inside that pocket over there and make a pocket and put this point inside that pocket. Do the same thing over here. Open the pocket, put the flap inside that and make it more edible. And do the same thing over here. Put this flap inside, fold it, open this pocket, put this flap inside, and the last step, you need to cut from the line, the bottom part. There's no line, so don't cut from there. No, don't even think about cutting from there. Just cut from the top part like that, and all you need to do is blow through this hole like, and boom. All I need to do is put water inside and throw it up. When it falls, like, and it's also a type of a puppet. The last video I created, yeah, like that. The bottom is type of a puppet, and you could just flatten it if you don't want to break it. I mean, puppet. Then you can flatten it like that, and again blow it. There, a ball. Flatten and ball. And hope you enjoyed today's video. Give this video a thumbs up and Subscribe if you're new with all post notifications on. And so hope you enjoyed today's video, and comment was this easy or not. And bye.